In this video, we will be talking about 50 YouTube video ideas that will blow up your channel. So if you're new to YouTube, or if you're a small YouTuber searching for new video ideas, then this is exactly what you need. Now, by making this video, I'm kind of shooting myself in the foot because a lot of the ideas listed are ideas that I want to do myself, and so I'm kind of creating more competition by making this video. But hey, who gives a fuck really? Now, when it comes to choosing a video idea, you kind of have two options. You can choose a video that is being recommended by YouTube, that is already getting a lot of views for other creators, that has proof of work. Or the second option, you can have a video that is ranking on the search engine. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, and so everybody tries to rank high on that search engine. These are evergreen videos and are very powerful. I have videos, some of my oldest videos on this channel are still getting a little over 100 views a day because they are evergreen, because they are ranking for particular search terms. And so this is a good option. Now, let's just dive in right away. Now, the first videos are do-it-yourself videos. Usually when the video is saving the viewer a lot of time or saving the viewer a lot of money. Videos that, in other words, bring a lot of value. The second type of videos are tech-related videos. Anything that's tech and new in your industry is usually going to perform very well. People want to see brand new stuff and want to consider buying those things. There's something fun about considering to buy something without spending money, really. And an important thing to note here, this is not something that is only possible for tech review channels. This is possible for everyone. I've seen people in the art industry doing on the new iPhone drawing or painting on the new iPhone, stuff like that. You can transform this to something that you are doing already. And we've all seen those videos, iPhone unboxing videos, Tesla videos, whatever it is. These perform very, very well. These are one of the few videos that I see people getting hundreds of thousands of views with the first time they try it. Next ideas are ASMR videos. Now, the power of ASMR videos is that you can transform them to your industry very, very easily. I've seen ASMR videos in the art world where people are restoring old antique type of artworks, or I've seen ASMR videos in the cooking world where people are just preparing a meal and it all performs very, very well. And so for every industry, there's an ASMR topic that you could choose. The next videos are the I did and then something super extreme, here's what happened type of videos. For example, I woke up at 4 a.m. for 30 days, here's what happened. Or I stopped drinking coffee for 30 days, here's what happened. Or I did a complete dopamine detox for whatever amount of days, here's what happened. Dopamine detoxes are very hot at this moment. Andrew Kirby is a perfect example of this. If you look at his top performing videos, almost all of them are in this format. I did blah, 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 blah. Here's what happens. Now, to be fair, these ideas do work a little bit better if you have somewhat of a large audience, so that a portion of your audience likes you even more than the topic you're talking about. Another template that you can use is the I tried and then insert something trending. Not crazy like the previous one, but trending. Biahiza, I hope I pronounced his name correctly. He has some beautiful examples. All of his top performing videos are really like this. I tried Forex trading for whatever amount. Here's what happened. Or I tried paying somebody on Fiverr to create a dropshipping business for me. Those types of things. Not extreme, but trending topics. Next up are the gaming videos. Just like the tech videos, these types of videos do extremely well right after the game is released. First of all, these companies are doing huge investments to market their product, and then people want to search online for other people playing so that they can decide if they want to play the game as well. It's obvious. Next videos are the list videos. 5 ways to, 10 best of, blah, 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 like all of those list type of structures. A good example of this is Jillian Perkins. Her best performing videos are basically all kind of the same. 12 work from home jobs, 8 work from home jobs, 6 work from home. I mean, it's a list. And this works because it is so valuable. It is saving time for people. This video that you are watching now is also a list and took me about 2 days to research and write the script down. Normally a video takes me a couple of hours max. And so that's a lot more. That is value for you, and that is why it works. In the title, when people see 10 best blah, 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 or 50 YouTube video ideas, they know that the person who made that video did the research, that it will save them time, and so they want to click on it because everybody wants to save time. And so these videos perform very well. Another video idea is to film screen record your computer screen while you are liking my YouTube videos and then post that video onto your channel. Huge viral potential. I mean, go for it. Then we have the how much money you make type of videos where you reveal how much money you make. If you look at Shelby Church, her best performing video is a video where she reveals how much money she makes with a particular video. And this is not only the case for big famous channels. No, if you type in my first paycheck, my first YouTube paycheck on YouTube, you will see channels with 8,000 subs getting 50,000 views, or 20,000 subs getting 150,000 views in just 1 month. I mean, these are all-time high-ranking traffic-generating video IDs. I actually tried this one out myself and have to say that it didn't really perform that well, to be honest. And it could have been better if I compare it to some other channels, but hey, that's how it goes, you know. And to be completely fair, that was myself. I mean, I posted this video 2 weeks ago or something, so 500 views, it can still get more views. It sometimes takes up to 2 months before a video really takes off, and so I'm not worried. Perhaps it's gonna do good soon. Next up are the reaction videos. I recently saw this guitar teacher reacting to Oceans of John Butler Trio. If you don't know that, it's basically a famous guitar song of some guy. And it was super interesting because he was commenting on the melodies, commenting on the techniques being used, and he was also kind of funny. So the whole video was just a very powerful video. And so if you're, let's say, a dance teacher, you can make a reaction video on some famous dance video clip type of thing. If you're a public speaker or public speaking coach, do a reaction video on famous speeches. But the key is that you have to react to a famous video that is getting constant views, so that you can kind of hack that search traffic or the amount of traffic that that video already is generating on itself. Then we have the how-to videos. Any how-to video on a topic that you are very knowledgeable about, and that has a lot of search volume is a good video. How to insert a benefit is the oldest clickbait in the books. This already exists for hundreds of years, and this clickbait title will exist for until human beings stop being interested in learning stuff, which is basically forever. A powerful variation on this is the how to insert benefit without insert something that they don't want. This is performing extremely well at this moment. Now, I've tested it out on my channel myself, how to sell art on Instagram without having a lot of followers. They want to know how to sell art on Instagram, they don't have a lot of followers. Bam. And this video is getting around 3,000 to 4,000 views every single month consistently. And I've tested it out with different titles, including without the without section, just how to sell art on Instagram, and it performed way less good. And so this format is powerful at this moment. Next up are the satisfying videos. These videos are performing extremely well. They're fairly easy to make, so why not? I personally don't understand why they are performing so well. I never watch these type of videos, but that doesn't matter. Then we have the transformation type of videos. This includes the before and after videos, but also the cleaning videos, the transforming your office space or parts of your home type of videos. And especially the cleaning videos are very interesting because I don't understand them at all. There's some kind of strange fetish going on when it comes to cleaning. Cleaning your bathroom, cleaning your closet, cleaning every part of your house basically, or not even cleaning things, just color coordinating things. Somehow people find it very amusing to see something completely in chaos being transformed into arranged colors. And so that's all good. Or cleaning very extremely dirty things, like extremely dirty shoes or very old antique objects. And this is almost in the satisfying category. The line between cleaning as a transformation and cleaning as a satisfaction type of thing is very thin. You can combine both options. Cleaning videos in particular are very interesting because I personally don't like to clean at all, let alone make a video about it. Predominantly because I sometimes don't see the benefit of cleaning something regularly, like windows, for example. There are people cleaning their windows once a month. And so I don't understand that type of lifestyle. But now that I know that cleaning videos are performing so well, I'm actually considering cleaning more often. My art studio, for example, that has not been cleaned for a very long time and probably needs some cleaning or organizing. And I know people who have posted a cleaning video 3 years ago And from the revenue they made from that video, they have been paying their cleaning lady for the past 3 years. And so knowing that, I get a strange urge, almost a strange urge to start cleaning, which is kind of positive. Yet another video idea is to save this video so that you can come back to this video in the future when you need new video ideas. Next up are story videos. Telling stories is one of the most amazing and oldest tricks in the books. If you have a short video, people will want to watch it till the end because they want to know the end of the story. It's that simple. You can tell stories about everything. Your husband, your friend, a bad Tinder date, a bad boyfriend, your family, your relationship shizzles, any relationship shizzles, a crazy neighbor, an unforgettable party, an amazing travel story, something that happened in your past, your dreams, parents, travels, a stalker. You can potentially turn a stalker experience into a revenue stream for yourself, turning bad experiences into money through YouTube for free. The ideas are endless, and on top of that, you're also training your storytelling skills by doing that, which is probably one of the reasons that you started a YouTube channel in the first place. Next up are the vlogs. Now, most vlogs, if not almost all vlogs, will not grow your channel and will not blow up. You have to connect your vlog to a trending topic or search volume that is constant. Why? Because people don't want to watch you. That's okay, people don't want to watch me either, and that is why I'm providing value instead. Because people want to get the value that I'm providing, even if that means that they have to watch my ugly face in the meantime. The value that they are getting is worth more than my lack of charisma, my lack of video editing skills, and my lack of friends, family, partners, or life in general. And so you have to bring value. A vlog about you and your new Tesla right before it comes out, right after it comes out, not before because that's impossible, right after it comes out, will get a lot of views. A vlog about you and your VW will not get any views unless you turn it into a how I turned my VW into a yacht type of video or something like that. Next up we have crazy collection videos, showing your collection, especially or only if that collection is of something that has a lot of hype going on. For example, Pokemon cards at this moment. I mean, these videos are blowing up in no time. Then we have the Q&A videos. Now, just like the vlog type of videos, most Q&A videos are not going to blow up unless you're already famous. But there's one thing that they will do, and that is create more connection with your audience, because the audience wants to be put in the spotlight. One of the best ways is to celebrate them by putting their comment inside of your video. More connection with the audience results in more CTRs in the future, which results in more chances of going viral. And so to some extent, it is linked to the ability of blowing up in the future. Now, there's one type of Q&A video that does have some blow up viral potential. I've seen some videos in the following formula with the following title: asking someone questions that someone is too afraid to ask. For example, asking girls questions that guys are too afraid to ask. This particular type of format works very well. And so you can transform this into your industry topic. For example, let's take art. In the arts, you have big art events with multi-millionaires and celebrities coming to those art events, like for example Art Basel, and then you can go to those events and do that format. Asking galleries questions that people are too afraid to ask, or artists are too afraid to ask. And then you go to those galleries and you ask like, hey, isn't it true that a child could paint this type of stuff? Whatever you would ask, it doesn't really matter. And so you can transform this to your industry event that has a lot of search traffic. Art Basel Miami has a lot of search traffic, a lot of hype at the moment that event is happening. And so these are just ideas. Then we have the videos where you expose people. Now, I'm not talking about the negative exposing type of things like, hey, this fake guru is blah, blah, blah. Like those things are, we don't want to be negative people. But I'm talking about the positive exposed videos. Like how Mr. Beast made 5 million subscribers, or made 5 million, that you cannot make that, but got 5 million subscribers in the last year. Or how Casey Neistat transformed YouTube, things like that. People might not want to listen to you explaining how to make YouTube videos, but they will listen to you explaining how Casey Neistat makes YouTube videos, or how Mr. Beast makes YouTube videos. And so this is a very subtle way to transform your educational type of content into some kind of viral type of content. Very powerful. A very good example of this is Paddy Galloway. This guy is generating millions of views on his videos. If he would be making how to do this YouTube type of video, nobody would listen. But because he is framing it as, I will explain you how Mr. Beast or how PewDiePie or how Casey Neistat or how these major YouTubers are making their success, people want to watch it. Another video that is doing extremely well are the haul type of videos. And you can do hauls about everything. Christmas hauls, shopping hauls, thrift shopping hauls, H&M clothing hauls, art supply hauls, hobby and craft supply hauls, museum shop hauls, book hauls, plant hauls, interior hauls, anything really. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to find a particular haul in your industry. I've been thinking about a haul for business, for example. You could do a credit card haul for a finance channel, but I didn't come up with a lot of hauls that are suitable for business. And then there are some hauls that need to be timed properly, like for example school supply hauls or something like Halloween hauls, whatever it is. And I have been thinking about why these hauls are doing so well. Because I personally don't really watch a lot of haul videos, but I think it's because every new item generates curiosity towards the next item, and every new item is some kind of pattern interrupt in the video, which increases the engagement of the viewers. If you're interested in how I tried several videos in this list on my channel, I have several of them, including some failures. One of my favorites is my first YouTube paycheck, how much money you can make as a small YouTuber. And for the rest, my name is Dries Ketels. And as always, keep on making art, because art is the only necessity.